Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is I think this is my first Matchbox which I actually got it in this box form. So this one is the McLaren 720S Spider, and I was excited to buy this one. So I bought it off Facebook from someone. I don't remember who now. I think around 500 or 600 rupees. I don't remember that either. It doesn't have any pricing here since it's an imported one. So let's unbox this one and see how this one looks. I'm really not sure what's the difference between this and the ones which we get it in India. Let's find out. It has some nice wrapping to it. So here it is. Let me just put this inside for a minute. Okay. So here is the car. So the initial impressions of this car are like, so it is just a mainline Matchbox, that's it. So as usual, you can see there are no headlight detailing. I mean, there is no acrylics for headlights. It is just painted on it, and it has some detailing for this air intake, which is really good. The paint job looks really nice. I don't see any paint bubbling so far or paint rashes so far, and the tail lights are actually painted, and you can see some detailing here. So it is a bit here and there, but it's okay. So I think here it is supposed to be this exhaust coming out, but yeah, metal being metal, it's a gift they keep on giving, the flaws and everything. So it has some decent detailing to it on the interior, and actually I personally love this specific set of rims. It has some depth to it. It looks really cool. And let's see if it has suspension. I'm pretty sure it doesn't have. Yeah, it doesn't have. So it looks so beautiful from this angle actually, like so curvy. Okay, let's do a roll test real quick and see how this one rolls. Okay, it rolls decent. It is not that bad. As usually any metal products, either it's Hot Wheels or Matchbox, same way this one also rolls. It does have wheel wobble on the rear wheel. Front wheel also actually has a lot of wheel wobble compared to the rear ones, but it's okay. So if you want to play with it, or if you want to give it to your kids to play with it, then it's fine. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button, and if you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.